Hello friends, let's start with some basic and that is our semiconductor. Let's start with the diode. Here I have taken a diode which is 1N4007 which is a switching diode. Now I'll connect the diode in such a way that it will be in a forward bias. As you know, diode will be in forward bias in a condition where the positive of diode is connected to the positive of battery while the negative will connect to the negative of battery. And here I'm doing the same. Okay, so here I'm connecting one 1K resistor as a RL here and connecting one LED light here. So here I'm just rotating the LED to keep it in a position whichever I want to. Okay, so here I have taken the LED connecting the negative of LED to the negative of this battery. Here the battery voltage is 10. I'll just changing that to 12 volt. Okay, now my resistance is 1K and I have some LEDs. That's it. Now what I'll do is I'll just connect one voltmeter here and that voltmeter I'll connect across the resistor RL. So here the resistor RL will give us the output. So I'm giving name to the voltmeter as V out. I'm connecting another voltmeter to the voltage to take the voltage across the diode. Here you can see I have connected one voltmeter here. Okay. So here I'm giving the name for this voltmeter is, no, this is not the voltmeter, this is the volt generator. So here I'm taking the voltmeter and connecting it. Okay. So here I'm getting some errors because there is no need to have this junction points here. But I can see that. So I don't want the junction points or else I'll get some warnings here. I just removed it, right? Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm changing the name of this voltmeter to VD because it will give me the voltage across the diode. Now what I'll do here is I'll just check the transient response of my diode. Okay. Now if I go to the separate curves, I'll see that VD is diode voltage is till 0.7. Diode needs zero point 0.7 till it get into conduction and then diode will be in conduction. But till that voltage across diode is accumulated. You can see that. Now it is quite confusing. So let's do one thing. Just remove this DC battery and connect one voltmeter here. Just give the name to that voltmeter as AC mains. Okay, why? Because I'm changing the values to, I'm taking this signal as a 230 volt and 50 hertz frequency. That's it. Now here my voltage is AC and what now I'll get, you can see here. Okay, so let's see what separate waveforms are talking about. Yeah, that's it. Now you can see the AC waveform, which is clearly you can see between plus minus 23 volt. You can see here, right? And here the B cursor if I put, then yeah, we have plus minus 230 volt here for the AC. Now for the positive half cycle, my diode will conduct and output, that is the voltage across RL will be at a positive side. Now if you check that positive here, if you see the curve, the A will show you the positive and that is 226. If I change that, you can see 226 is the voltage I'm getting here. And for the VD, if you check for the negative side, I'm getting the same voltage. So whenever diode is in conduction, there is no voltage across the diode. But when diode is not conduction, there is a complete voltage across the diode. Here you can see it clearly. Hope you understand from this video. For knowing about the To know more about the diode and semiconductor device or basic electronics, do subscribe the channel. Thank you.